An Introduction to LMSs for Modern-Day Companies. Brought to you by Enablera. There are many reasons learning management systems have become such a necessity in the modern business world. Learning management systems can be used to provide learning content, enhance employee performance, and even aid with onboarding new employees. In this blog post, we will discuss what learning management systems are, and why they're necessary, how learning management systems can be used for business learning needs, and how you can find the right LMS for your company today. What is a learning management system? A learning management system, or LMS, is an interactive website that companies use to provide learning content, track employee progress, and record their training history. Why are learning management systems so necessary for modern-day businesses? Firstly, they can be used as a database of learning information in one place. Secondly, they help with retention rates by providing job-specific lessons, and they offer seamless user interfaces for employees who want to access training materials on their own time, from any device. Thirdly, learning management systems can be used to enhance employee performance by providing personalized lessons and work-specific training. And fourthly, new employees who use a learning management system during the onboarding process may find it easier to adapt to their new surroundings. What are some of the benefits that come with using a learning management system? A learning management system is a crucial component for any business or organization. It provides an easy and efficient way to help the learning process. Some of the benefits include reduction in learning time, increased learning retention rates, and an increase in employee collaboration and satisfaction. With learning management systems, employees can find learning content quickly and easily. For example, if an employee has trouble with a particular task or assignment, they are able to search for the best internal article, video, or course without having to go through multiple sessions of trying different instructions from other sources that may not be helpful. This saves valuable time during work hours that might otherwise be wasted, searching over various websites in order to find what is needed. In addition to being able to provide custom content for each employee and help them learn faster, they also give companies more time back in terms of resources spent on training and development. They ensure consistency across all devices because once you upload your course material to your online academy, anyone's access is virtually limitless. It also ensures greater learning retention rates because learners can review information at any point in their learning process, whereas before it would have been limited by when and how often they were able to access training materials outside of work hours, since this depended upon availability within one's organization. An LMS provides increased collaboration amongst employees by enabling learning to be completed in a social learning environment. This means that learners are able to better learn from others by watching their work and looking at the comments they have made on other tutorials, which provides an opportunity for collaboration as well as reinforcing information through discussions with teammates. An LMS also increases employee satisfaction because it helps make learning easier and more accessible, thereby enhancing feelings of achievement when employees can find what they need quickly, without having spent too much time searching online for instructions relevant to them. Employees may feel less stressed about learning new tasks if they know that there is an easy way to access instructional videos specific to their needs, such as how best to use certain software programs, whereas before individuals were often left to try to figure things out on their own. What types of LMSs are available to companies today? There are a lot of LMSs available for companies to use in this day and age. The first LMS type is known as SaaS, which is basically a software as a service that allows people to access the cloud-based online learning platforms. The next type of LMS is known as white label. A white label LMS is one where the company provides the academy platform for you to use with your own branding. This type of LMS has more features than the SaaS and can be customized to your specifications. The next type of LMS is the hosted model. The hosting company provides you with a virtual server where they host your training content, which is then accessed by members in an organization via browser or mobile app. And lastly, there is an on-premise model. This allows organizations to install their own servers so that they can access this data remotely and locally from anywhere. In each of these models, there are different features available for companies to use when adopting them into their business enterprise. How can you find the best LMS for your company? First off, you will want to answer the question, what do I need? This is a difficult one that can be answered by looking at your company and asking yourself some questions. What courses are we providing for our employees? Do we have any in-house staff who would benefit from this program? Do I intend on training both new hires and current employees with it? If so, then how many people are there in total? Is my target audience large enough to justify the cost of a more expensive software package, or should I look into lower-priced options first? Besides these factors, you will also want to consider the functionality of your chosen LMS. Does it have a blog or forum? What about document storage and sharing capabilities? Is there built-in collaboration as well as an assessment option for employees? Can I customize the system with my own branding, fonts, colors, settings, and integrations? The more functionalities you need in order to accomplish your training goals, then the higher price tag should be expected. There is no single best choice when picking out one's company's learning management system. They all come with their own pros and cons that depend on the size of your organization and what type of content you're looking at providing to employees in terms of education. But answering these basic questions first, before even searching for software, may save hours upon hours of research time. If you're looking for a flexible, scalable, and secure LMS for your employees, customers, or partners, then take a look at Enablera. With Enablera, you can build your company's digital academy in just minutes and completely customize it to fit your needs. We have plans available for startups to enterprises. You can get started today with a free trial at www.enablera.com.